everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. So it's your girl Princey Osax. Now I'm going to make shortbread. This is my butter and my sugar. I'll mix everything together. I'm going to mix everything together. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Yeah. I'm going to mix everything together. Thank you, my love. Jeremiah, leave now. So this is it. So now this is it, guys. Butter, sugar. So, this is butter, sugar. So I mix everything together. Now I'm going to add my flour to it. I'm using this flour. I just want to make a little bit for my case. I don't want it that much because I can make it anytime I want to. So, this is the flour. Yeah, I think this is okay for me. Now I'm going to shave it. Thank you, my love. Oh, guys, sorry. I'm so sorry. So now I'm going to use my hands to mix everything together. Make sure the butter you are using is very soft. It is nice when the butter is soft. You will enjoy your cookies when the butter is soft. So this I'm doing it. This is it, guys. It's just 3 ingredients you need to do this: flour, butter, sugar. That's all for this recipe. So guys, this I'm still mixing it. Make sure you mix very well, and you have to add a lot of butter to it. So this is the dough. I'm going to place it here and do it very well. It's like the dough is sticking, so I need to add just a little bit of flour to it. Don't add water. Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes, love. What? Sorry. Sorry, my love. Yeah. I'm coming, my love. I'm coming. Okay. Please don't do that. Okay. See, guys, I'm still doing it. Just to have a little bit of flour to eat just to get. So guys, I'm done mixing it, so I'm going to put it on my nylon. I'm going to place it here. I don't know if you guys can see it anyway. Let me see. I think it's better this way. So now I'm going to place another nylon on top. I'm sorry, guys. So guys, I just placed another nylon on top. So I'm going to use this to spread it bit by bit. I'm using the roller to do it. So you just have to do it shape, like rectangle shape. So guys, this is the shape I just give to it. See it? I'm still doing it. I'm not done. I think you guys can see it this way. So I'm using spoon to do the shape. You can use anything you like, but I like using spoon to do mine. I think it's the quick, easier way for me. Please guys, pardon me. On my next video, I'm going to use apron with cap. Pardon me guys, I'm very sorry. I'm not going to use for this So this is it. We are done. So guys, this is it. Make sure yours look like this. So now I'm going to put it inside the fridge for about 30 minutes for I'll bring it out for baking. So guys, I'm going to put it inside the fridge for about 30 minutes. This is it. It's ready. So now I'm still giving it a nice shape. Wow, this is nice. I'm going to give it like this. Make sure you do it gently. So guys, this is it. So now we are going to cut it like this. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. That's the problem now. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Look at my cookies. This is it. So I'm going to use my fork to give it a slice of cookies. This is it, guys. I'm going to place it on my pan and bake for about 12 minutes. So guys, this is my cookies. Let me show you guys. Can you see it? You can do it any shape you want, but this is the shape I just like to do it. Can you see it? So now I'm going to put it inside the oven. I'll let it bake for about 12 minutes. Get back to you guys. Guys, my cookies is ready. Shortbread. Can you see that? So I have to leave it to cool now before I can eat it with my drink. I'm super excited. I can't wait to taste this cookie. Okay, that's so nice. So guys, this is it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press like, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay blessed, guys. I love you all. Wow, this is it. I can't wait to test it.
Mommy?
Yeah?
You want to test it?
Yeah, I can't wait. So guys, this is my short bread and my milk. I need to enjoy this. Bye guys. Wow, tastes nice.